How to change country in expert option. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are looking for a way to change your country in expert option, first of all launch open the expert option app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the Finances button on the left hand side corner. Inside Finances under Deposit, you'll see your country option. Just click on Change. Click the drop down and select a different country you want to change to. Now to confirm your country, you'll need to enter your phone number and click on Request Call. Once you verify your phone number, follow through the instructions and you'll be able to update your country. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.